I have not been excited about a cleaning tool like I am this in quite some time, y'all. Let me show you how it works. Might need a little. So to fill it, you simply unlock this, take this off. It comes with a handy dandy little plastic container to pour in there pretty easily. You see the fill line? Really self-explanatory. It comes with a mop pad, but there's also another one in the box. To turn on, you just turn this knob to the amount of steam that you want. What I really love is that you can get, with the triangle design, you can really get into the floorboards really well, just like this. My floors feel really clean and no chemicals, which is phenomenal. It actually gets my floors a lot cleaner than the Swiffer. And I don't have to worry about my pets with their paws on all those chemicals. This is it, y'all. I'm happy. I am really happy. I can see myself. It's so light too. So if you don't have a lot of arm strength, no worries. This has got you. Anyways, also the packaging, the plastic inside, all compostable, completely recyclable. So hats off, Hoover. This is amazing. I'm super happy.